You know, talking of lentils, I really love sprouted lentils.
Yeah.
I feel otherwise it tends to make you a little gaseous.
Indeed.
But in India, we use something called Asafoetida,
Okay.
which is like a permanent fixture in all our kitchens for our lentils. Heeng, हम हींग का बहुत ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं. बच्चों को अगर stomach upset होता है, so we actually use ghee and we put a bit of Asafoetida
Right.
into the navel of the child, and it actually relieves them
Yeah.
of flatulence.
Okay.
So we do stuff like this in India, and it's been done for time immemorial, and even the West has started understanding the uses and the properties of spices like Asafoetida, turmeric. Turmeric is
No,
huge.
we did an experiment on Trust Me because there's been a lot of interest. You cook a lot with turmeric, don't you? Do you call it turmeric or turmeric?
We call it Haldi, but it's called
Haldi.
turmeric.
Different name.
Yeah.
But it has become incredibly fashionable
Yeah.
in the UK and in Sydney and in America. Turmeric latte,
Yes.
you know, very popular.
Can you believe it?
But
Yeah.
what people have wondered is it really as good as people say? So we did a study on Trust Me, I'm a Doctor, where we got lots of people who don't normally eat it to eat it. And they put in their cooking. These were people who don't normally eat Indian food at all. And we also looked at the same time at their DNA. We did a special test. And what we found is there were improvements in about 3 months in some of the genes linked
Wow.
with things like cancer and inflammation.
Yeah.
And this is the first proper scientific study done looking at the benefits of turmeric.
Yes, yes.
But, and that was fabulous.
Yes, I think curcumin, which is a derivative of turmeric, is used widely to, rehabilitate cancer patients as well.
Indeed,
So-
they're doing some of the early studies in it now. Is it